Achieving the first million is an ambitious goal for many people, but what truly matters in this journey is the set of habits and the mindset developed along the way. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of daily choices, conscious sacrifices, and consistent actions. By adopting habits that drive personal and financial growth, anyone can build a solid and sustainable path, starting from scratch and moving toward their first million. Here are some of these fundamental habits. Produce more than you consume. One of the key habits to achieving success is focusing on creating value instead of passively consuming content. Dedicating more time to active production, whether it's writing, recording, developing, or creating something new, is essential. Consuming content related to your field can be inspiring, but overconsumption can lead to procrastination disguised as productivity. The key is balance. Dedicate the necessary time to absorb useful knowledge, but always prioritize action and implementation. Short-term sacrifices, long-term rewards. Modern society often values immediate success, but in reality, true success usually comes from a long period of dedication and sacrifice. This principle applies to all areas of life: finances, relationships, health, and career. Making difficult sacrifices today, such as giving up instant gratification, parties, or even leisure time, can result in great rewards in the future. Sustainable success is built on daily discipline and the willingness to face short-term challenges. Take calculated risks. Taking risks is an inevitable part of success, but that doesn't mean acting recklessly. Taking calculated risks involves making bold decisions, but with knowledge of the possible consequences and a contingency plan. Often, what seems like a big risk to others may simply be a necessary step in the journey to achieving greater goals. The important thing is to understand the difference between risk and recklessness and to act consciously and strategically. Avoid the trap of complaining. Constantly complaining is a habit that can drain energy and delay progress. Instead of focusing on problems, focus on solutions. When things don't go as planned, instead of blaming external factors, it's more productive to reflect on what can be done to improve. Personal responsibility is a fundamental trait of successful people. By taking control of how you interpret events and the actions you'll take from them, your chances of success increase significantly. Develop a continuous learning mindset. Personal growth is constant. Learning something new every day, whether it's a technical skill, theoretical knowledge, or even something about yourself, is essential for long-term development. Stepping out of your comfort zone and facing the unknown are practices that expand your potential and capabilities. Continuous progress comes from small daily achievements and the willingness to always improve, no matter how uncomfortable the process may be. Deliver more than expected in a competitive world. Delivering more than the minimum required is what sets the best apart from the rest. Whether at work, in studies, or in any project, giving your best and exceeding expectations creates a lasting impression and opens doors to greater opportunities. Dedication, commitment, and excellence in everything you do are characteristics that lead to long-term recognition and success. Have a broad view of the world. Cultivating diverse interests and a constant curiosity about the world around you can make you more creative and innovative. Multidisciplinary learning. Whether in areas like music, science, philosophy, or any other field, broadens your worldview and can create unexpected connections that benefit other areas of your life. Being a curious and well-rounded person enriches your experiences and makes you more interesting and adaptable to different contexts. These habits are fundamental to building a successful path, whether in personal life, career, or any other goal. By cultivating these behaviors, anyone can position themselves advantageously to achieve lasting and meaningful results.
Welcome to Smart Money, where we explore the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to support our content and stay updated on all the latest insights. If you're looking to transform your mindset, achieve financial freedom, and live the life of your dreams, you're in the right place. Here, we share practical tips, proven strategies, and valuable insights to help you develop the mindset and habits of the great millionaires. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Join us on this journey towards financial success.